Dear management, I am András.
And I'm Constantine.
We are the consultants from IBA suggesting Arla Foods to approach the Dutch market with different cheese products such as these. Let's see what is our main problem here today. Arla Foods is already on the Dutch market, but they want to increase their brand awareness alongside with their revenue stream. So, based on the key issues, we formulated a problem proposal, namely, how to approach the Dutch food industry with cheese products by conducting market selection and segmentation, thereby assessing the company's choice of target groups.
Right. So, instead of going through the entire analysis phase of the internal and the external, we would just get to the point of how we imagined the market approach would be. As the entire report can be read separately. We have imagined that the main focus would be on the pre-packed food industry. You may have a question of how and why. Well, the feta cheese, blue cheese, and the cream cheese, they can be used in many products as components and as ingredients. Also, pre-packed sandwiches are pretty popular in the Netherlands as a very quick and fulfilling meal. Furthermore, these sandwiches are available at the gas stations and retail stores suited people who love the fast sandwiches on the go. The most important fact of them all is that Dutchies, they love good quality cheese. However, the second thought on approaching the market is by focusing on the pre-packed salads. Well, then you might have a question of how is this even possible in the short-term time? Well, no worries at all. The entire time frame will be in 4 phases: near-term, short-term, mid-term, and a long-term. And to combine with the planning, implementing, checking, and act, which is called the Plan, Do, Check, Act. For more details, please read the report.
Well said, Constantine. However, the most important focus in this video that we want to present is the communication strategy. The strategy would be based on both B2C and B2B. On the B2C channel, the strategy would be that Arla has to cooperate with the supplier on the promotional activity, and it would be shown on traditional media such as TV, banners, posters on the street. The slogan of the campaign would be obviously in Dutch language with appropriate wordings and pleasant sounding. Wanna have some traditional cheese? Have a cheesy sandwich, something like this. The communication on the B2B would simply be contacting and negotiating. So, that was the entire approaching tactics for the Netherlands, and of course we have considered a contingency plan, but that can be read further on the report. Please read our report, and thanks for your attention. Choose this cheese, and cheers!